on it. And it goes a little something like this.
And first time, we would like to call on the Birdie Celebrant to please come to the front. Alright, Lloyd, halika. Nasa para ni Mami. Okay, and balik na sa upuan kids. Kasi, mag-blow ko na ng candle si Lloydie. But before Lloydie blow the candle, siyempre may ibibigay na tatlong bird to it, yung mga Jollibee friends natin. So, sino nasa kauna? Si Yam. Right, Yam, ready ka na ba? Are you ready? Ready na si Yam for the first wish. Okay, for the first wish is, ikaw, Lloydie, ay lumaki. Ano yan sa kids? Ano yan siya? Very good, matalino, at ano, malusog, katulad ni Yum, and also together with Jollibee. Palapakan natin sila kids, very good. And our second wish, nanggaling niyang din kay Jollibee. Our second wish is, ikaw, Lloyd, ay lumaki. Ano yan siya? Manasalin at may pananalig sa Diyos. Katulad ni Jollibee and ni Yum. And also katulad ni Mommy and ni Daddy. Palapakan natin silang dalawa. Okay, now our last wish, si Yum at saka si Jollibee ang bigay. Our last wish is, ikaw, Lloydie, ay lumaki, always be happy like Jollibee and Yum. Okay, and before Lloydie blow the candle, we will sing a happy birthday song again. So in the count of 3, 2, 1. Everybody sing, happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, in the count of 3, 2, 1. Lloydie, blow the candle now. Okay, everybody shout, happy birthday, Lloydie. And this time, it's time for picture taking together with our Jollibee friends. Siyempre, mauna mo na yung birthday celebration.